Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, counting down the last days of January as I feature 5 plants that have done exceptionally well. I'd be remiss if I didn't include edibles in some capacity, and my pick for January are strawberries. That's right, a fabulous evergreen ground cover that's fully perennial here in Zone 7, Central North Carolina. This is a strawberry called Chandler, a wonderful perennial day-neutral variety that sets delicious fruit primarily in May, but sometimes throughout the summer. Now, this bed was revamped less than a year ago, and I can't believe how efficient the strawberry has been in being able to completely cover all of the space to help reduce any sort of weed pressure. I highly recommend strawberries as a ground cover, and it's an easy way to create a foodscape in a really conveniently located space, right here off of my kitchen. I can't wait to harvest these strawberries this spring. Let me show you a few other places that I have strawberries growing. This was my original strawberry patch, planted way back in the summer of 2011. I planted Chandler strawberries here at the base of blueberries so I could maximize the area as a foodscape. I have ground cover of edibles that get harvested in the spring, and then of course a hedgerow of blueberries that get harvested in midsummer. Both are totally perennial here in Central North Carolina Zone 7, and they're super easy, low maintenance plants to cultivate. I really love how strawberries will just kind of take care of themselves and cover a lot of ground and mingle with other plants. Here you can see strawberries are intermingled with Lysomachia numularia aria, also called creeping jenny. Overall, strawberries are just a really easy, versatile plant that I think really do provide 4 seasons of interest, and of course, delicious fruits every spring. Well, without question, Snowy Belle is the strawberry that I am most enchanted with. Since I started growing this last spring, I have not had a week pass where I haven't been in awe of this plant. You can see even after 3 winter precipitation events and temperatures down into the teens, this container plant still looks perfect. Now, you can find Snowy Belle online from Bushel and Berry. It's definitely a plant that I have on my wish list to do a mass planting of on the next door property this spring. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed today's plant selection for exceptional January interest, and I hope you'll be inspired to include strawberries in your home garden as well. And I look forward to sharing my top pick tomorrow, so be sure to tune in. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.